Don't get hip
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing and another size reference. Today I have two varsity jackets from Schott, and they used to happen to be in different sizes. I wanted to order them both in size XL, but one of the jackets sold out in size XL. So one of the sizes are size large. And I have this one from Gant that I absolutely love. I think it's a perfect varsity jacket. It's just that when I bought this, I was bigger. Now I am 6'1". Yes, I have actually been taller, but 6'1", 94 kilos, and sort of a dad bod. Love handles and sort of skinny, but I have a wide back and long arms. And when I bought this one, I was much more muscular, and I wore a double XL. So this is double XL, and as you can see, it still fits me kind of good, but it's not the perfect fitment. So I keep on buying jackets, and I like jackets in general. But the thing with Schott is that they are, of course, most famous for the classic biker jackets, the leather jackets. And my only experience with Schott is that I bought a pea coat. I have a video of that, and the sizing was way off, I thought. And when ordering these, I checked the website again, and they only have one size guide, which I think is kind of weird because they have biker jackets that are very short, they have pea coats, they have general coats, they have all kind of jackets. And the varsity jackets that I think is maybe a summer thing for them wasn't on the site at all. So their size reference, I didn't trust to go after that one. So I'm gonna try them on for you. And oh, this looks way too small. So the darker one, cognac one, is large. This is extra large, XL. I'm once again 6'1", 94 kilos, and I'm gonna try them on both with just a t-shirt under and with a sweatshirt under, because these are the kind of jackets that I wear all year round. I want to start with showing you a varsity jacket that I think fits me well, that is a size XL. It's the latest one that I showed you. This is from Gumball. And it's size XL, and I think it fits me just the way it should. I think this fits me very well. So on with the Schott jackets. Schott is famous for their quality with all their clothing, and that they are price worthy. And I can feel it right away. Oh, this is too small. Oh, this is way too small. Okay, so size large, I would say is like medium, which makes me think that size XL is also going to be too small. But what I wanted to say is that you can feel right away that it's quality. It's heavy, it's thick. Good zipper. The leather doesn't smell at all, which is sad actually, but it feels like a great jacket right away. But size large was like a medium, so I'm hoping that XL would fit me, or that they have double XL in the store. But as I showed you earlier, the Gant jacket is double XL. That used to be my size, but I should not wear double XL anymore. I'm not that big at all. XL should be my size, and with some jackets I can't go with large, like this one from H&M. This is large, and I think this fits me well. Oh, this one might have been XL actually, but I have that one in large as well somewhere. And then we have this one from Stewart & Strauss that I really look forward to, and this is just way off in sizing. This is also supposed to be XL, but this is, I have a video about this one, but I feel this is just weird, this sort of sizing. But now to it, I'm really hoping that this will fit me. This is XL, and I would say that this is not a summer jacket. It feels, oh, this could fit me. No, also too small. Okay, so Schott, I've learned that now. Schott is smaller than your average sizing. They are not true to size. If you are slim fit, then my length, 6.1 feet could do if you are smaller, but I have a wide back that doesn't work at all, and I'm not this slim fit type. That just sucks. I'm actually afraid that double XL might be slightly too small as well, or with ordinary with US sizing, that from XL to double XL, the only thing that happens is it gets fatter, not longer. Very rarely it gets longer. All right, good quality jackets. They're all kind of pricey here in Sweden. I think they are 400 euro. In Europe, with changing US dollar to euro, I think they are 350 euro. So here in Sweden, a bit more expensive. We're used to having more expensive. I don't know what I'm saying, but this was too bad. I'm guessing that many of you would say that this is the right size for me, but keep in mind, I'm just wearing a t-shirt under, and this is not in any way is this size XL. That really sucks. I'm hoping that this size guide will help you, even though I don't have a jacket that fits me. If they have double XL, I will order them in double XL and I will do a new video. But so far I am XL, and Schott's jackets are way too small with their sizing. Large is like a medium, XL is like a large or even slightly smaller. Thanks for watching.